to the channel. It's snowing here in Maryland. We already got about 5 inches of snow on the ground. And I just drove from the house down the driveway into my local Walmart in order to get the i8 out here in a parking lot in the snow because I want to see exactly how this car performs. Now, we have the Continental DWS06 tires on this car. They're rated for dry, wet, and snow. And already on the ride over here, I was losing some traction. I was in comfort mode, and after I pulled out an electric, the car immediately wanted to start up with that mid-engine. And we're pulling out in electric. Oh, as soon as I started to slip, the mid-engine came right in right away in comfort mode. Oh, that's interesting. And we do have the DWS06 tires on this, and they're doing a good job. I mean, I don't feel any slip. And in fact, I feel a little bit of the ruts in the road sort of pulling me around a little bit, but it's not bad. Ha, there goes a plow going the other way. So the lane that I'm in hasn't even been plowed. And of course, the car's already warning me that it's 37 degrees outside. So it's trudging through this pretty well. Probably better than I expected. So that's a good sign that, well, hey, when you're losing traction, it's going to shift into the other axle. The same would probably be true if I was on the rear axle. The electric would kick in order to straighten the car out. Now, I also put the car in sport mode in order to make it up a little bit of a hill and towards this parking lot, and it also lit up and let me know I was losing traction. I lost a little bit of traction there in sport mode, but picked right back up. So we got electric up front, we got gas in the back, and all together we got an all-wheel drive car. So what am I doing here today? I want to see how this car performs in this parking lot. Now, this has been plowed, so we're only about 2 or 3 inches of snow right here, but I think this is a perfect opportunity to see just how it'll handle. So let's go. Whew, it's really snowy out there. All right, so I'm going to put it in drive, and I'm going to immediately do a hold state of charge on this because I want to see that it will start to pull out and it will actually use the mid-engine first. So let's see what it'll do. All right, we're on the mid-engine. As soon as I give it gas, whoo, she wants to spin around. Now the throttle is not very responsive, so as I'm spinning around here, it really is keeping me from adding any more power, which is kind of interesting. Now I'm going to switch to eDrive, so this will give me only front motors, but it may kick in the mid-engine. Let's see. Nope, giving it half throttle, it's actually more responsive in eDrive than it was before. And I'm just sitting here going around in circles. The car's holding its own in eDrive. That's pretty nice. All right, next test. We're going to put it in sport mode. Now, we got all-time all-wheel drive, and let's see how it performs. So it's starting to slide, and immediately it's already given me less throttle response, but it is doing donuts. Check that out. Actually, I have the wheel turned to the right. If I was doing a true donut, I would actually have the wheel turned to the left. So with an all-wheel drive car, I think you have no choice but to just keep that wheel to the right. Okay, so now I'm in sport mode. I'm actually turned traction control off. So let's just see what this thing will do now the traction control's off. All right, so we're going to put it in comfort mode, regular old comfort mode, so we don't have front wheel drive anymore. And let's see what it does now. All right, we're clear. Is now hopping in the BMW i8. She wants to give it a try. Throw that seatbelt on, get her started up. That's awesome. All right, I got great footage. That was awesome. Good job. Go ahead and shut her down. So what'd you think of that? Getting this car out and being able to test it out in these conditions? Well, now we know exactly how the car is going to perform when you're in winter weather and you lose traction. And we also know how well these tires perform. So I'm going to take it back to the house. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and ring that bell for notifications. I'll be posting more content like this. Thanks for watching and happy motoring.